Draka and Kenzie, we are at the outside of the pig factory right now. Why are you so scared? Please answer me right now.
We are so scared right now because there's a lightning strike. It struck the pig factory's power, which result of the power was shutting off. You won't believe this happened in here right now.
I agree with Draka Saeed. We should find a basement to avoid the lightning strike. If not, we are going to be killed. You won't be serious right now.
That's awful. The lightning strike is very dangerous. We should find something places to keep us safe. Like a basement or something like that. We should get going right now.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's go to the underground car park to keep us safe. We should get going right now.
I agree with Draka Saeed. The underground car park will keep us safe from the thunderstorm. We should get going right now.
Alright, Draka and Kenzie, we should get going into the underground car park to keep us safe from the thunderstorm right now. Here's the hint to all of you. You need to find an underground car park to avoid the lightning strike that kills us. You should wait for the thunderstorm is over. You can go out now. Since we are scared by the lightning strike, we should find an underground car park to keep us safe. We are in this video in here right now, and that's it. Goodbye.